我操，丸子头你是不定的是吧？
Severe flooding has struck Sichuan province in southwestern China, resulting in over 20 casualties and missing persons, with more than 20,000 individuals forced to evacuate from Danba County. The impact of the floods extends to 13 provinces or regions, affecting a staggering 12 million people, leading to 70 reported deaths or disappearances, and displacing 700,000 residents. The destruction is immense, with 8,000 houses completely razed and an additional 97,000 severely damaged. Emergency response efforts are concentrated in the township of Yehaixiang, where rescue teams successfully saved 200 people trapped in the floodwaters. To aid those affected, the Sichuan Provincial Emergency Management Department has dispatched 500 tents, bedding, and other essential relief materials. Moreover, eastern regions, specifically Jiangxi and Anhui provinces, have also been grappling with recent flooding incidents. In Jiangxi, floods have impacted 45 sub-districts, cities, and districts, affecting 526,000 people, prompting the evacuation of 42,000 individuals. Anhui province has faced flooding since September 9th, affecting more than 20 counties and cities, including Ma'anshan, Luan, Anqing, Xuancheng, and Huangshan. The flooding ensued after continuous heavy rainfall elevated river levels beyond the safety threshold. The flooding aftermath is taking a severe toll, with the death toll rising. According to provincial officials, around 300 people have been confirmed dead. But these numbers are likely preliminary, as rescuers are still working hard to reach flooded areas in outlying districts. This devastating situation unfolded after heavy rain began last Sunday, affecting over 3 million people in the province. More than 250,000 individuals have been displaced from their homes, facing the brunt of the disaster. In southern China, particularly in the city of Shenzhen, firefighters undertook a heroic effort to rescue over 20 passengers stranded on top of a bus surrounded by deep floodwaters. The roads were submerged, making it a challenging rescue operation. A remarkable rescue story emerged as a man was pulled out alive from a hotel, surviving 81 hours after being trapped by mudslides following torrential rains on Thursday evening. The disaster has already claimed 117 lives, with 627 people still missing, especially in areas where 3 villages were almost entirely engulfed by mudslides. In towns and villages near Zhengzhou, the provincial capital at the heart of the disaster, there are reports of more individuals remaining unaccounted for. Residents who fled their homes in Mihai, situated on the Sishui River and 22 miles west of downtown Zhengzhou, are among those facing uncertainty and concern.
东王时代广场发洪水了。